So at Heuston Luas platform, crossing over to Séan Heuston Bridge to Parkgate Street. Here's the new pedestrian crossing. No push button unit is installed. I can hear the Luas beside me on my right hand side, so I know it's safe to cross. Yeah, on the other side. So, walking over to Parkgate Street. So there, sorry guys. Sorry about that. So the Luas is crossing over Séan Heuston Bridge. There's a little drainage channel and then the track. So it's all shared space, all on the same level. So little drainage channel. The right foot is in now. Subtle. So just head over to the left to Séan Heuston Bridge. So we're turning a corner. Okay, and heading over to the traffic light. Yeah, there it is ahead of us. That's